Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add widgets to home screen on iPhone. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. First, we are going to tap and hold an app or widget or on an empty space on your home screen until the apps jiggle like this. You can then click on Edit at the top left and then select Add Widget. From here, you can scroll through many widgets that are for different apps, and once you scroll down at the bottom part, you should be able to see your apps listed in here. Find one that you like and you can tap on it, and once you swipe through, you can then see some layouts for that specific app's widgets. Once you see something you like, you can then click on Add Widget at the bottom, and it will be automatically added to our home screen like this. You can also drag a specific widget at its corner like this, and you can make it smaller if it is supported for that specific widget. And once you like the layout of the specific widget, you can then also tap and hold on that specific widget to move it around on your home screen, like moving apps. Once you are done, just click on Done at the top right, and that is how you can add widgets to your home screen. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.